I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Galaxy Watch 4 and waking your phone. This pairs them fast. Once the watch boots, open the Galaxy Wearable app and allow Bluetooth permissions so the devices can find each other. You should charge above 20% to avoid interruptions. Also pick the strap notch that centers the sensors on the underside of your wrist for accurate readings. Now tap Start on the phone. This begins pairing. Follow the on-screen code to confirm and continue setup without delay. Once paired, fit the watch so sensors sit flat against skin. You want it snug, with about a half-finger gap so circulation remains normal. You'll set your dominant hand and wrist position in the app because algorithms adjust step and sleep detection that way. Make sure heart rate and SpO2 monitoring are enabled. These features need the sensor contact to be steady. Once done, allow any requested permissions for location and notifications. This improves activity tracking and keeps alerts synchronized between devices. You finish by customizing watch faces and notification preferences to reduce distractions and surface the data you care about. Once the firmware update appears, install it. Updates fix bugs and calibrate sensors, so make sure to charge above 50% and stay connected during the update. If something goes wrong, first restart both the watch and phone, then retry pairing in the Galaxy Wearable app. If issues persist, reset the watch to factory settings. That clears corrupt pairings and usually resolves persistent connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.